Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. So today I will teach you how do we convert multi-item variable into single item variables, and also how to define the regression analysis. So before we going forward to the regression analysis, first we need to convert our data from multi-item variable into the single item variable. For my project or my data, I have three independent variable and one dependent variable, which is I have brand credibility, brand image, and also customers feedback. So how should we change it to the single item variable? So for the first step is we click transform and compute variable, and then after that we need to make a new name for our new variable data. So such as for the first one, my first variable is brand credibility. So we must have a unique name for it, such as brand and credibility. And after that, we look to this small square, which is click all, and then looking for a mean. So you should scroll until you find M. Alright, that's it. And then click mean. And after that we click here, click for all the questions that from our variable brand credibility. So the first one is, and then put comma, and there. So all of that. Alright, so that's it for the questions for brand credibility. And then after that we press OK. So what is happening is this, because I already done that, so the result should be like this. Then go to the right of this table. That's it, brand credibility. So you can see all the means for the questions. And then after that you should do the same step for all the variable. So, for me it's brand image, customers feedback, and also social media and effectiveness. So after we already convert this multi-item variable into the single item variables, so we can proceed to the linear regression to test our hypothesis. So how should we do that? Then after we complete this, we convert the multi-item variable into a single item variable, we click analyze, and then click regression part, click linear. Right, so already done that. So you can see dependent variable, you click and put it there, and after that click the brand credibility, the independent variables, click there, put it here. After that this one leave it like this, and then press OK. So you can have a result from model summary, ANOVA, and coefficient. So we're looking to the first part, just model summary, which is my model summary shows that an R value of 0.744, which is indicating a strong relationship. The R square value is 0.553, which is means over 55% of the variance in advertising effectiveness is explained by brand image, brand credibility, and customers' feedback, which is means that that's a solid explanatory power for consumer behavior model. So after that, we're looking at this table, which is ANOVA. So ANOVA results show an F value, which is 39.599, with a significant level below 0.001, which is this result tells us overall models is statistically significant. So the combination of these three factors really does influence social media effectiveness. And after that, we can see the last part. We see with last part of it, which is coefficients. So let's start with consumer feedback. Customer feedback. Yeah. Which is highly significant predictor with a beta value of 0.443 and p value of less than 0.001. So what does that mean? This means that the user review and feedback highly influence our dependent variable, which is this. This is our strongest predictor in this model. Therefore, effectively managing and leveraging customer feedback channel is crucial. So next, we look to the brand image. We found that brand image is also a significant predictor with a beta of 0.254 and p-value of 0.004. This indicates that strong brand image significantly boosts consumer trust and appeal, which in turn impacts, which is investing in building and maintaining a positive brand image is clearly beneficial. Now let's look at brand credibility. Brand credibility also shows a significant influence with a beta of 0.218 and p-value of 0.015. The takeaway here is that trustworthy brands are more effective in social media ads. So which means that establishing and communicating your brand credibility is vital for success. So what we can conclude is our regression analysis has highlighted three critical drives, which is customers' feedback has the strongest influence, and underscoring the power of user-generated content and reviews. Next, brand image essential for fostering trust and appeal, and brand credibility is the key to effectiveness, particularly in dynamic environment like social media. So that's it from me. My sharing about the regression analysis, how to convert a multi-item variable into the single item variable. So that's it for me. Thank you.